Alright, I am going to show you how to get certain accessibility features on your Chromebook. So first you want to go right here to this area where there's your Wi-Fi. You want to click on it, and then there's exit session, the start button, and the setting. Click on the setting. You're going to have a page coming up. You want to go to, I'm sorry, it's kind of blurry, advanced, and then all the way at the bottom there's a person icon. You want to go to accessibility, and then it's going to give you two options. Go to manage features. The first portion of it is about text-to-speech. There you want to enable select to speak, which is the second feature. From there you are going to see a little speaker icon. Again, I'm sorry, it's blurry. That is going to show right there at the bottom. Then go back to your page, scroll down all the way to the title, keyboard and text input. There you want to enable the third feature right here, which is enable dictation, speak to type. Click on it, and that's pretty much it. Get out of it. If you go on any page, let's say that then you want to have a text. I'm gonna log in into maybe do some research on, since it is up to date, coronavirus, and then I'm gonna pick an article. Let's say I can't read this portion of it, so you're gonna select your little speaker right here. You're gonna click on it, and then from there you are going to select the text. You're going to have a ping box.
You can protect yourself and help prevent spreading the virus to others if you do. Wash your hands regularly for 20 seconds with soap and water or alcohol-based hand rub. Cover your nose and mouth with a disposable tissue or flexed elbow.
If you wanted to stop, just go back there and click stop. But pretty much it's going to allow you to select what you want to be read. The next portion of it will be if your child has something to type. So let's say I'm going into my search and I want to do some research on, I don't know, let's say coronavirus. So I'm going to go back here, my two little items. I have, you know, the speaker, and I have the microphone. I'm going to click on the microphone, and then I'm going to say exactly what I want to have inserted in the search bar right here. So there it goes. I was going to ask you if you wanted to do it. Okay. So let me see. What is coronavirus? And then you can just click enter, and it's going to give you a bunch of different information. But those are the features. You can use them in Google Classroom. If your kids have to type something, instead of typing, they can just dictate to the computer. I did not get any closer really to it. I was just, you know, in a more quiet environment, and the speakers are just going to, and the microphone are just going to pick up what they need to pick up. I hope this helps. If you have any more questions, don't hesitate to send me either a dojo message or an email. If you have my phone number, you can text me anytime, and I'll try to help you out, okay? All right, thank you.